Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today's video is a good old get ready with me. I did my full face with you guys. We chit-chatted. I gave a little bit of house updates. We just talked about makeup in general. It was a fun time. But before we hop into the video itself, I did want to mention that this video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community for creative and curious people such as myself or such as you. Whether you're trying to strengthen your skills in something you're already familiar with or trying to learn a whole new thing in general, Skillshare will have something for you. They have everything ranging from photography to productivity, lifestyle, plants, like there's very specific stuff and there is so much to discover. The class that I've currently been enjoying is Style Your Space, Creative Tips and Techniques for Interior Design by Emily Henderson. As most of you know, I am moving hopefully within the next 4 to 6 weeks, so I'm just trying to get really inspired on how to style and design my new space. Her class was very helpful because she wasn't just stuck talking about one specific type of aesthetic. She was very good at being very broad in general and helping you kind of navigate what is going to speak to you the most. I found her class just really entertaining and also very knowledgeable for me. I learned a lot listening to her class. Maybe if you're someone who's also moving soon or you're just bored with your current living situation, maybe that class would help spice it up for you and help you reimagine what you could do with your space. Because Skillshare is specifically curated for learning, there are going to be no ads, so nothing to interrupt your creative process. They're always launching new premium classes, so there's always going to be something new to learn and discover through them. And it is less than $10 a month with an annual subscription. The first 1,000 of you to click the link in my description box will receive a free trial to the premium subscription. You're going to have so much fun exploring and unlocking all these different creative outlets through all of their classes. Skillshare, thank you so much for partnering with me on this video. Alrighty, so just a couple details I want to give before we hop into it. My plugs today are from Love Kills Boutique. This is a Christma brand wig. Check my FAQ in the description box if you need spelling, and this is a CC brand beanie. Anyways, I don't think I have anything left to say here in this intro. I guess just grab your makeup if you're doing your makeup with me. Get me playing in the background if you're doing your chores. Whatever you like to do with these get ready with me videos, let's just hop in, chat, and create this look. Hi, hello, how's it going? Today's the 28th actually. This video I think is a little bit pre-filmed, but I wanted to film this morning, so I decided to film a get ready with me. I did already do my brows and I did already prime with the Milk Hydrogrip Primer and the Becca First Light Priming Filter. Everything that I use will be in the description box as always if I forget to mention something. I like to prime before I do my brows so it can have time to like sink into the skin and get just nice and good and prepped and ready to go. So yeah, let's move into foundation. So Colourpop sent me the Cheek Dew Blush Serums and they also included this sponge. So I'm going to use this today. And I've been using my Becca Aqua Luminous Foundation in Porcelain. This was getting discontinued regardless of Becca closing down. But this was my favorite foundation for a very long time. I don't know if I'd consider it a favorite anymore. I do like it in the spring and summer though. It's like a light coverage. I'm just going to plop some here on my skin. How do you guys feel about Becca closing down? I think I'll miss the bronzer more than anything. And I actually had someone DM me asking if I was gonna like buy a bunch of backups of it before they close. And I don't plan to. Actually, in the last Get Ready With Me, I was talking about how like I want to try new bronzers, but I never feel compelled to try them because I just don't feel the need to have multiples. So maybe by that bronzer getting discontinued when I finally finish it again, it will just encourage me to try new ones. So I'm not too sad about it. I am surprised though. I really did not see this coming from them at all. I was intrigued by their new foundation they were launching as well. I can't remember what it's called, but it just launched maybe a couple months ago. And I was kind of intrigued by that. And I might still pick that one up. I have not decided yet. Excuse my bedhead. My hair is like in full 90s sitcom boy mode right now. And I can't tolerate it. It's a lot. What are you up to today, whatever day it is for you when you're watching this? What's going on with you? Today is my day off. Zane and I are actually going to At Home today. It's a like furniture and like home store. It's like a home decor kind of store. I have a coupon that expires in a couple of days, so I want to see if I can pick anything up for the house. Going in with Tarte Shape Tape. I literally don't think I'm ever going to finish this. It's crazy. In case you haven't been watching the vlogs, I can give you a little bit of an update as of right this second. So they're still aiming to have our house closing on March 26th, which would be ideal. That would be best case scenario for me because our lease ends on the 31st. But if it goes past it, it'll be fine. We're just going to live with Zane's parents temporarily. I've kind of accepted that that's probably going to happen. They hadn't started our drywall yet as of right now, and we just found out on Thursday that it was because they were waiting on materials for the roof to be able to work on the drywall. So for 2 weeks, it felt like they were doing literally nothing. But they just got the materials for that and started the roof on Friday, and I think they're finishing the roof tomorrow. So hopefully they'll start the drywall very soon. And who knows, maybe things will go up really quick, but I'm just not confident that it's gonna be ready in less than 4 weeks. I am not at all. So I've just kind of accepted that we're probably gonna have to live with Zane's parents. Zane's mom's boss has this big trailer that we can use to help move our stuff and store stuff in. So we might only have to put like some of our furniture in storage, whatever won't fit, but we won't need a huge storage unit to pay for. That's good. I'm just trying to think positively. I'm liking the sponge so far, I will say. I'm a microfiber sponge kind of person, but this one's really squishy and bouncy and soft. I like it. All right, let's do this Colourpop Cheek Dew Blush Serum. I'm really excited. This one's in the shade Hotline. They sent me 4 shades, and Hotline is the one I picked up today, so that's what we're gonna use. I don't know how this is gonna go. I'm gonna put some on my hand because I'm scared of it. Actually, I'm really not scared of it. It reminds me of like maybe the Glossier Cloud Paint. Okay. Oh, that shears out like immediately. Okay, so you can't really use a heavy hand with this, which I guess would be good for beginners, but it pretty much disappeared completely, did it not? So yeah, just trying to think positively. I'm minorly stressed about just time because I know this month is going to go by quick and I need to be pre-filmed as much as possible. I can't really film at Zane's parents' house. There's just not like a good place to set up for that. So I'm going to try to be pre-filmed as much as possible for you guys. My goal is to have literally like the first 2 to 3 weeks of April pre-filmed by the time this month is over. So wish me luck. My goal is to not miss any days. Because I love hanging out with you. And if you keep up with the vlogs, we'll be able to stay connected in that regard because that'll still be filmed on a regular basis. I don't know how I feel about this. It's not very like sticky, like I feel like it's blending out, but it's like blending out too much to where it looks like literally nothing. I am not so sure about this. It literally looks like nothing. I'm gonna have to keep playing with this and play with maybe some more shades, but I layered this up quite a bit and it is like real sheer. Maybe if you're looking for an extremely sheer cream blush, this could be for you, but I don't think this is for me. I'm likely gonna pop a regular blush over top of this. Yeah, so far I'm not a fan. Very unfortunately, because I was really excited about that, but okay, I'll keep playing with it. Maybe I'm using it wrong. I don't know how I'd be using it wrong, but maybe I am. I'm gonna set my under eyes now with the Milk Makeup Blur Setting Powder. Just make sure there's no creases under my eyes. I'm so excited to see the drywall come up though. You have no idea. It's really cool watching the progress. Oh, I can't wait to see that step. It's gonna be so neat. Work's been good too. I've just been staying really busy. I was worried that the beginning of the year would slow down because that's just normal in my industry. Like January, February is usually the slowest time, but it's been really good and consistent. Just staying super busy and booked. I'm gaining new people. It's been a good time. I've been having fun making like hair transformation TikToks. It's been amusing for me. Now that my T-zone is set, I'm just gonna go over the perimeter of my face with the NYX High Glass. I'm getting through this. I'm gonna need to buy another one very soon. I just love how glowy it makes my skin look. It's so pretty. I feel like Becca also came out with a powder that I think has a similar effect, but this one is so affordable for what it is. I will probably stick with this forever. All right, I'm gonna bronze now. I'm gonna use the Becca Bali Sands bronzer. Look at that pan. I am getting through it. I feel like right now, since I'm in moving and packing mode, nothing is more satisfying to me right now than finishing products. I've been on this journey where I'm really trying to diligently use my skincare. I'm trying to really use my masks. I'm trying to just like dwindle it down, mostly so I don't have to move more stuff, but I'm also just enjoying watching it happen. All right, now I need a powder blush because this is not gonna cut it for me. Let me go find one. I was feeling a pinky blush today, so let's use this Flower Power one from Colourpop. I actually don't think I've worn this one on my face yet, so That'll be fun. This is an Alter Ego number 3 brush, by the way. I always use an angled brush for my blush. And I'm gonna do some blush drapiness. I'm not too concerned with my forehead because I'm gonna have a beanie on, but I do just want like a nice little halo of pink around this outer area. I think it's so pretty. This is what I needed with a blush. I can't be doing any subtle nonsense. I'm gonna take my under eye setting powder brush just to blend her around my edges. Very good, very cute. All right, I wanna make some freckles now with the Lottie London Freckle Tint. I don't think I wanna go too ham. I just want like some strategic ones. Something kinda like this. And of course I'm gonna fill in my little beauty marks because I have them. I might as well accentuate them. I'm gonna let these sit for a couple seconds and then I will start tapping them out. So just gonna lightly tap these out just so that they look a little bit softer. Pretty content with that, so let's move on to highlight. I'm gonna use a Bitter Lace Beauty highlight. I wanna use Cupcake Crush. I'm gonna use this all over my cheeks and my eyes today. I think it's gonna be very, very pretty. And then my brush is a Colourpop F33. If you haven't seen these highlights before, just wait until you see this magic. It is Duochrome Sparkly Goodness. Look at that. I am an ethereal little fairy. Oh, it's just so pretty and glorious. I love these. I use these a lot more than you guys see. Like I use them for one and done eyeshadow looks before work fairly frequently because they make a really pretty just like eyeshadow highlight combination and they smell like Smarties candy. It's so yummy. Oh, I love that. Okay, I'm gonna set my face with the Pixie Glow Mist and then we'll move on to the eyes. All right, moving on to the eyes. Like I said, I just want this smeared all over and then we're gonna do a giant wing. So I'm gonna take my Urban Decay primer potion. Just gonna smear this all over my lids, blend it out. Not gonna set it because I don't like to set my eyeshadow base. All right, now I'm just gonna load this beauty up on my finger. I'm going to just press it along my lid. Oh, I love this product. It's so good. It just looks so wet and reflective and ethereal. I'm just taking a blending brush with no product on it just to smudge the edges so there isn't like a harsh stop. But there's that. Nice and quick and easy peasy. Now I'm going to create a big wing with the Uoma Beauty Cleopatra Ink liquid liner. I've been on a winged liner kick again lately. I don't know what to tell you. It's really hard for me to explain what I'm doing. I draw my tail first up towards my brow and then I start drawing the inside. I really like this liner in particular because it's really small, but it's so flexible, so it just bends over my lids so nicely. It doesn't skip. I've been obsessed with this. And I just kind of quickly fill in that bottom. Now that I look crazy, I'm going to just kind of flick and connect the wing and lid. I'm definitely gonna have to perfect that, but it's okay. Doing winged liner is such a journey and it takes so much practice. I've said it before and I'll say it a million more times. If you're new to it, I recommend practicing with eyeshadow because it's very forgiving and a lot easier to work with. I also recommend practicing when you're like about to take your makeup off and you're about to like just wind down for bed because then if you mess up, the world doesn't have to know. I'm just gonna keep finessing this until I like it. That's actually pretty close to what I want, so that's good. I'm gonna quickly highlight my inner corner because I realized I forgot to, and I really like to do that before I lay my wing down so that I don't have to cover back over it. So let me do that really quick. Yeah, easy peasy eye makeup. I'm going to repeat this wing on the other eye. I might have to finesse it a little bit to try to make them match. And then I'll be back when I have like my eye pencil and lashes and lips on because I have no clue what I want to do for any of that. Yeah, easy look, nice pretty pinky skin, pretty pinky big winged eye. Let's move on. Alrighty, the look is complete. I feel very cute. I feel just like cozy, kind of like winter transitioning into spring with like all the pink and the sparkle. I think it's very cute. The lashes I threw on are the Fiona lashes from Noella Lashes. I don't know why I held up the empty container, but these are the lashes. Giant, huge, fluffy, like my favorite lashes ever to pair with a winged liner. My eye pencil is Fluffie from Colourpop, just a nice bright poppy pink. And then my lip combo is Field Day Pencil from Colourpop with Lime Crime's Naked Cherry Gloss on top. So yeah, very cute. I love this. It's very simple. It's like kind of fresh looking, but also very fairy-like. I don't know how to explain it, but I really like it. Anyways, let's just zoom out and finish up this video. Alrighty, how was that? Did you enjoy the tutorial? Did you enjoy watching me create this look? I love it. I think it's so pretty and cute. I keep checking out my eyes because it just like reflects and glints in the light so nicely. I love it. I'd love to know if you have any opinions on this cheek do. Have you watched anyone else play with it? Like I said, this is pretty pre-filmed, so I think a decent amount of people will have played with this by the time this video goes up. I'm gonna keep playing with it and giving it my best shot, but so far it's very much too invisible for me. Skillshare, thank you again so much for partnering with me on this video, and just a reminder to you that the first 1,000 of you to click the link in my description box will receive a free trial to the premium membership. I hope you have a great rest of your day, whatever you're doing. Thank you so much for watching my video and hanging out with me. If you made it to the end of this video, please leave me a pink emoji because we are full of pink today. And if you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's BeautBean. Follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting most days here as well. Please make sure you're staying informed with everything that's going on in the world. There will be links in my description box that will take you to information and resources and ways in which you can help. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.